Good day, it is Stephen Davis here, and in this video I want to show you how to go to Kindle Direct Publishing. This is a very frustrating process at the very start, especially if you're not new to it and do not understand the way Amazon works. Amazon, because you think Kindle books are available on Amazon, as a beginner, I went directly to Amazon and I struggled here how to get to the Kindle publishing. The fact is, Kindle is part of the Amazon, if I may put it like that, system, just like Google has its own ecosystem. Google search, you get Google Maps, then you get Gmail for Google, and you get all other elements of Google. So Amazon has also its own ecosystem. The Amazon shop, if I may put it like that, is different from the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And Kindle Direct Publishing, here you upload your books as a publisher, and here you also then monitor and manage the books that you published. So you must remember, it is two different sites. You will not get to Kindle Direct here. The publishing site on the Amazon, if I may put it, the Amazon shop system, you must go to another sub system, if I may put it like that, Kindle Direct Publishing. And if you know how to sign in to the Kindle Direct Publishing, you can just maybe type sign in to, or you can just also as I done here, I somehow put it separately on a page that I can quickly copy and paste, or you can even make it at your favorites. It's https kdp.amazon.com, and that will then lead you to the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And then from here onward, you can manage your book, load it, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.